Hello, writers. This is Liz Kelly, your instructor. I wanted to take a few minutes and take you through some parts of our course to make sure you know what we're doing. Um, as you know, live lectures started this week, and on our course page in the About This section part, it details for you what the live lectures are. And as you scroll down, you'll notice that there's a link, and this is the link you'll click to get into the session. The calendar is set up on Central Standard Time, so make sure you know that when you are ready to join a meeting. Go in about 10 to probably 20 minutes ahead of time to make sure you familiarize yourself with everything. So live lecture, how do you record attendance? There are a couple of ways. In the live lecture itself, you're going to be asked to give your full name, your instructor's name, and your section number. Now, the syllabus is where you can find all of that information. So you'll see here that it's G124 ENC 1101 Section 4, Elizabeth Kelly, me, your instructor. So you'll want to remember that. Also, the next way to do assessment and prove that you were in the course is that you must go to the lesson tab, click on the appropriate week. This week is week 2. Then click on the live lecture assessment. Now, what you'll be asked to do is enter information into this text box, okay? So, for example, you want to enter the exact information that the live lecturer gives you based on the knowledge checks. So these are not going to be necessarily short answers. They might be fill in the blank. So make sure that when you're posting, you're not just posting the words that fill in the blanks to a complete paragraph. If there's a complete paragraph that your live lecture instructor gives to you, you want to fill in the blanks with the appropriate answers and upload that entire paragraph, not just the answers. You will not get credit for that. So for example, if I have something that says, so here I would want this entire sentence or a couple of sentences posted here, and then I would fill in the blanks. So the writing process begins with discovery, and writers should remember that drafting is not the final step, and be prepared to revise, edit, proofread, and publish. Okay? This is what you'll get credit for doing. If you simply list, discover, revise, edit, proofread, and publish, you're not going to get credit. So please remember that as you're working on these live lecture assessments. The goal here is not to do multiple choice or just check that you're listening. It's checking that you're listening, you're understanding, you're synthesizing information, and you can use the terminology correctly. Also, remember that we have the resources section, okay? The student portal, all of the links here. One part that's very important, because you're going to need to do it often, is to make sure that you understand APA citation, okay? Everything you write for the main writing assignments have to be formatted in APA style. We also have the announcements or course announcements. I will post announcements almost every day. These announcements are crucial for you. You must pay attention to them. They'll give you directions for the week. Also, you can check your grades and make sure you always double check the calendar in case something changes. The live lectures, again, you make sure that you post to the live lecture session, the live lecture assessment, the exact information that your live lecture instructor tells you to post. That instructor is not going to give you the answers, but you will be able to download the PowerPoint and materials that will help you find the answers. I will be doing several of these over the next few days to familiarize you with information. I want to make sure you understand that when you're working on main assignments, that you double check yourself. Use the main assignment itself as a checklist before you submit something. Go through it and check. Did I do this? Did I do this? Did I do this? Have I done this? If you cannot answer yes, then you're missing something. So I just wanted to take a few minutes and chat with you about that. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be posting this in the course announcements and emailing it to you. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and please, please attend the live lectures.